Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes with Jill Norwood. This is my episode 14, and I'm going to start off with showing you what I used for my first project, and then I'll show you what I made. So I used some paper from My Favorite Things called Country Plaid, or Country Fair Plaid, and I used this color right here, this green. Then I used some more of My Favorite Things paper called Fun in the Sun, and I used this one up here. Then I used a bow from the Paper Studio. I used a die framelit from Stephanie Bernard. It's called Dotted Squares. I also used the dotted rectangles. I also used the Stampin' Up! Fruit basket. I used the You Are the Sweetest sentiment. I used the Distress Oxide Cracked Pistachio. I used my Wink of Stella, the clear. And then I used this die set. It's a strawberry heart-shaped, and they came from Coco Rosa. And I actually am on the design team for them. And if you go look at my video, I have a 20% off code you can use if you want to get this die. And let me show you what I came up with. This is the card I made. I thought it turned out pretty cute. So I just used the Wink of Stella on the heart strawberries. I used two different colors. This one's a different color, red. And I put You Are the Sweetest. And then I actually used a punch. I forgot to bring it, but it's a Stampin' Up! Punch from that same fruit basket, the Stampin' Up! It came from that same set. But that was my first project. And then on to my second one. I did some heat embossing. So I used this Wow Opaque Bright White regular. I used some Gina Marie Designs bling, and I used the clear. I used the MFT Essential Fishtail Sentiment strips. I used the smallest one. Then I used the Hero Art Infinity dies, the rectangles. I used some mini puffy alpha stickers from Pink Fresh Studio, and this came from the kit from this month from Simon Says Stamp called the Garden Greetings, and I actually used that stamp set called Garden Greetings. I used the wreath, and I used Love You right here. And then I also used the embossing folder that came with the kit. It's called Blossom Field. It's a 3D, I believe. It's really pretty, but that's what it looks like. And then I used some Distress Oxides. I used Spun Sugar. I used Kitsch Flamingo, and I used Picked Raspberry. And this is what I came up with. I just fussy cut out the wreath, and then I did like what do you call it? Oh my gosh, it's on the tip of my tongue. I blended the inks together to give it like an ombre look. And I just left the inside blank. So those were my projects for this week. I hope you liked them, guys. Leave me a comment. All right, love you guys. Bye.